Hi everyone, today I'm going to take a step back from all the high level stuff that we've been doing and just answer a simple question. What is a search ad and how does it work? This might sound simple, but I guarantee if you watch this video till the end, you'll walk away with a better understanding and maybe even some tips for your next Google Ads search ad. So the basic premise of running an ad on Google is simple. Every day people have problems and wants in their life. And a lot of the time, people search online to find solutions to these problems and wants. And that's really important, just remember that. So let's use a specific explanation for this hypothetical. You and I now run a business as Plumbers in Brisbane. Congratulations, I look forward to working with you. Using some quick research, I know that around 14,000 people are searching Plumber Near Me in Google monthly. But this is a bit wide and could consider all of Australia, so let's bring it down to Plumber Brisbane, which is still 3,600 monthly searches, which is good. So, if we put that into the equation we talked about earlier, the problem 36,000 people have is they need a plumber in the Brisbane area. And the solution is you and I are plumbers. A quick and effective way for beginners to see how many people are searching is to use a Google Chrome plugin called Keywords Everywhere. Not only does it tell me 3,600 people are searching monthly for plumbers in Brisbane, but it roughly estimates that someone clicking on your ad will cost you between $15.45 to 74 cents, depending on your quality score. Which for now, you just need to think of quality score as Google grading how well your ad fits their best practice guidelines. The better the quality score, the less it costs per click. We'll be doing a proper in-depth video about quality score very soon, so subscribe if you want to see that. So how can we appeal to these 3,600 people? When you search Plumber Brisbane, our company, and I mean you and I as plumbers, not Matter Solutions, appears third on the organic search results, thanks to some clever search engine optimization, which is good, but we know it can be better. Because not only are there 2 organic results above us, there's also a few paid ads. We know this because we can see the little ad tag next to these ads. But what's actually concerning is we can also tell that some of these paid ads are from our direct competitors. So that's it. You and I decide to run a search ad. And that's great. Remember, people need something and we want to be the one to help. So next time someone searches for a plumber in Brisbane, our plumbing business will be up there in the paid ads. That, of course, means that every time someone clicks our ad, we'll pay a proportionate amount of money to Google for advertising us there. Now that we have our search ad running, our business is getting noticed. We're solving more customers' problems, and we've been able to take on a third plumber and grow. There are a few other things in Google Ads that we've noticed though. What's a display campaign? How do you choose the right keywords? What's location targeting? If you want to know the answer to any of these questions, the videos on the screen now will help you with that. If you want to know about quality score or anything coming up in the future, click subscribe, like the video, but most importantly, leave a comment asking a question, because our goal is to create a conversation and grow together. I look forward to seeing you next time.